If you're looking for a safe way to shave body hair, Manscaped has got you covered with the crop gel. It's not only for the groin area, it's for the entire body. The reason why it's great, it's got exfoliation and lubrication included in the formula. So it really is, as you apply it, kind of like treating your skin as it's getting shaved, right? The other thing that I really enjoy is that, look at that. It comes out clear. It's got a minty, refreshing kind of feel as well. But why is it important that it's clear? Because as you're shaving, you know where you're going. You're not going to have this big foam kind of like, going all over that body, and then you're trying to shave and you might cut yourself, you might have an accident. This is a really nice clear gel. Shave on top of it. The only thing that I might have to say is that it is so thick that you might need to clean, and I have to clean the blade more often than I would if it was a foamy gel. So more clean blade. So basically a cleaner blade, a cleaner shave, and a closer shave, and a refreshing shave as well. So Crop Gel by Manscaped, 2 thumbs up.